श्रीमान सदानंद महालू सेठ धनवाड़े जी।
Thank you, Chairman Sir. I rise to draw the attention of this August House to a very serious problem faced by farmers in Goa due to frequent and unchecked intrusion of wild animals into agricultural fields. Agriculture is the main source of livelihoods for many families in rural Goa. For generations, farmers have relied on coconut, areca nut, banana, pineapple, mango, jackfruit, cashew, and vegetable plantation, along with paddy cultivation and other crops. These farms include small family-owned plots, community lands, and large units. They sustain livelihoods and preserve our traditional way of life. In recent years, farming has become extremely difficult due to repeated crop destruction by wild animals. Most farms and orchards are near forest, especially in villages bordering forest areas and the foothills of Sahyadri range. Wild boars, monkeys, bison or gaur, porcupines, giant squirrels, and other large animals regularly invade these areas. Farmers often wake up to find entire fields destroyed overnight. In many cases, crops are not just days before harvest. This problem has become a daily struggle and nightmare for farmers. They stay awake at night to guard their fields, risking their safety. Many elderly women, farmers are unable to manage this. Traditional paddy cultivation is disappearing not due to unwillingness, but because repeated wildlife attacks make it unviable. Horticulture too is becoming unsustainable due to continuous crop loss. Without proper protection, farmers receive little relief. They invest effort and money, yet the crops do not reach the market. Compensation is often delayed, inadequate, or difficult to claim, adding to their frustration. Chairman Sir, the people of Goa respect wildlife and nature. There is no demand to harm animals, but there must be a balance between wildlife protection and farmers' survival. At present, the farmers is paying the price. I urge the government to take concrete steps. Clearer guidelines should allow State Forest Department to use CAMPA funds for permanent protective infrastructure, such as strong fencing, solar or electric fencing, and hybrid barriers in vulnerable agricultural zones. This should be implemented on a cluster or village basis, not left to individual farmers. A simplified time-bound compensation mechanism should also be established so that farmers are not left helpless after losses.